going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I have an Amazon unboxing. It came yesterday, so let's get to it. Okay, the first thing is this eyeliner pencil holder. I recently reviewed some different color eyeliner pencils, so we're gonna see. It won't take up much space on my cosmetic top. So it holds, I know it'll hold all the pencils. I don't know how many slots is this. I think it's 14. I ain't sure. 26 slots. There's 26. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20. 26 slots. Okay. And it won't take up much space. So, nice acrylic looking. There's nice weight to it. So I like this to go with my other stuff. I got the other acrylic looking drawers. Let's match it. And I think this is a lipstick. Yeah, a lipstick holder. Yes. And don't say how many slots. Nope. But is this from the same company? Let me see. I think it's different companies. But there's a bunch of lipsticks. Because I got a lot of lipsticks, yeah. Even though you usually only see me wear this color or a bright red. But I got a lot, for real. So, I think these are nice. Didn't cost that much. I got them from Amazon. And I've been attempting to wear fake lashes lately. Okay, I got this Cicero Companion Eyelash Glue. Comes like this. Let's see. Okay, this is what I need, y'all. Let me see how hard this is. Okay, it's firm enough. Oh, it got tacky right away. This is what I need, because me trying to squeeze out glue onto something and put my eyelash in it. When I wore my eyelashes a couple days ago, I had glue all up. I still feel some residue up here. All up in here, y'all. The eyelash flipping and flopping and going up here. Then I dropped it on the carpet. Then I had carpet fuzz in the eyelash. I had to pick it out. Oh my gosh. So I think this will help me. People like me. So I got this from Amazon. And I forgot what it costs. Esquido. Esquido Companion Eyelash Glue. And the packaging is nice. So it'd be wonderful if it actually helped me. But it should. Look how thin that applicator brush is. Is that a brush? I don't know. I can't see no bristles. It is flexible, but it's firm enough to do what you want to do. Okay. So that's my small Amazon haul. I want to thank you for watching. Oh, that'll fit in one of my lipstick slots nicely. I think it'll fit in the eyeliner slot too. No, it's too big. Okay. I want to thank you for watching. Leave me a nice comment. Give me 2 thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay. When I start looking around after a video, this is what I'm looking for. Thumbnail pick. Okay. That's my thumbnail. Bye.